So we're asked to find the area of a rectangular air hockey table that is 8 1/4 feet by 4 3/8 feet. So what does this really look like? So we have a rectangle, which is basically the air hockey table. And then we have dimensions of the air hockey table. It's 8 1/4 feet long by 4 3/8 feet wide. So this is what it would look like in a drawing. Okay, folks? I'm just going to remove that. And how do we do this? How do we find the area? Okay, finding the area requires that we multiply. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply 8 1/4 by 4 3/8. All right, so how do we exactly go about doing that? The first thing I would do would be to turn these fractions, the fractional pieces of the mixed numbers, into decimals. So how do we do that exactly? Okay, so let's start with the 1/4. Okay, what do we do with that? Let's do 1 divided by 4. Okay, if you use a calculator, what you're going to get is 0.25. So I want you to remember that by heart. So you don't have to use a calculator every time. 1 divided by 4 is always 0.25. What does that mean, guys? So the first number, this 8 1/4, okay, is the same as 8.25. Okay, so what about the other number, that 4 3/4? We need to change that to a decimal, and that's what we're going to do. Well, again, you're going to take the 3/8 portion, and you're going to do, let's break that out, as 3 divided by 8. 3 divided by 8. I would like to have you guys remember this by heart as well. 3 divided by 8 is going to be 0.375. So you have 0.375. You still have the whole number of 4, right? So essentially that means 4.375. So 4.375. We're going to write that here. 4.375. So here's what we got to do. 8.25 times 4.375. Using a calculator, if you were to do that, you would get 36.09375. And that would be the area of a rectangular hockey table. And that's feet squared. Now, sometimes your teacher might say, well, all right, well, I want this in fractional form. 36.09375. Well, that would simply be this: 36 and 3/30 seconds. Okay, so thanks for watching, and hope you learned something from this.